Meet GanttBoard for Jira, the ultimate project planning tool that combines a powerful spreadsheet with a stunning visual Gantt chart, all running natively right inside Jira. Here's the Gantt view. See your entire project timeline with color-coded taskbars, dependency arrows, and milestone diamonds. Everything at a single glance. Love spreadsheets? The table view gives you Excel-like power. Sortable columns, status badges, assignee avatars, and inline editing. Just double-click any cell to update it. Never miss a deadline. Critical path highlighting instantly shows the longest chain of dependent tasks. And with one-click auto-scheduling, changes cascade through all your dependencies automatically. Drag, drop, and resize. Move tasks across the timeline. Adjust durations and create dependencies with intuitive drag and drop. Every change syncs back to Jira instantly. Make it yours. Color rules let you highlight tasks by priority, status, assignee, or any field you choose. Apply colors to bars, table rows, or both. Beautiful in any theme. GanttBoard automatically matches your Jira dark mode using Atlassian's official design tokens. Gorgeous day and night. Track progress like a pro. Save baseline snapshots, compare plan versus actual schedules, and spot overdue tasks with visual warning indicators. Plus, keyboard shortcuts, undo, redo, multi-select, and bulk operations. Everything a power user needs. GanttBoard for Jira. Free for up to 10 users. Start planning smarter today. Built with love by Forge.